If you're not making green juice in 2025, you need to start now. This is my go-to detox recipe. I have some kiwi, lemon, cucumber, spinach, apple, and ginger. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'll be sharing with you my green juice detox recipe. First, I'm going in with some apples. Apples help with digestion, brain health, and they are rich in fiber and vitamins. These are the kind of things you want to be consuming. I mean, lots and lots of it this period. Next, I have some spinach. You can replace spinach with any green vegetable you have. You could use kale, you could use ugu, you could use celery. Yeah, spinach are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber as well. And this can even help with digestion and your heart health. And up next is some cucumber. Cucumber. Anyways, cucumbers are good for our bodies. I mean, you can just slice this and put in a glass of water and drink, or put it in your bottle and have it all day to drink. It's really good. They are low in calories and also high in fiber. It also promotes gut health and helps with your heart health. I mean, all these plenty things. And of course, ginger and lemon. Ginger helps to cut down fermentation, constipation, and other causes of bloating. I personally love ginger. Like, I don't skip ginger in drinks, in smoothies, in food recipes. Like, everything I make always have ginger in it. And then lemon is high in vitamin C. Of course, we know it's in the citrus family. It's high in vitamin C. It also has some fiber and it supports the immune system. And then up next is some kiwi. I think this is common to Chinese. When I was in Nigeria, I had not seen this fruit, but here kiwi is almost rampant. And this kiwi fruit, interestingly, I got to find out that it helps with constipation. And to be honest with you, it's not that sweet. It's just in between sour and sweet. But guess what? When you mix it with other fruits for juices and smoothies, it gives it a very beautiful blend. And you should try it out if you have access to it. So I'm just putting everything now into my blender, mixing them, of course, just putting a bit of each fruits and vegetable into the blender, and I'm going to blend it into the nice, healthy green juice. You should make this juice at least once a week if you can, or once a month. Just try to detoxify your system, help with your digestive health. Really, sometimes when I just don't understand how my system is feeling like, especially my gut health, I just resort to green juice. I wake up in the morning, I make green juice. Let it be the first thing you take in cases like that. Make this, your body will thank you for it. Your body will thank you for it. If you're not a fan of juice, of course you should be, but just in case you prefer smoothie, the whole of this can be made into a smoothie as well. In fact, I have a recipe of that already on the channel. You want to check it out, I'll also link it in the description box. You can make it into a smoothie. Smoothie is basically just blending it smoothly without sealing out any of the chaff like this. So yeah, our green juice is ready to be consumed, ready to be served. Are you seeing this beauty? Are you seeing this beauty? Just take this every morning for a number of days. Your skin will glow, your body will tell you, oh, thank you for taking good care of me. Anyways, I'm kidding. But yeah, guys, you need to actually incorporate green juice into your juice recipes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.